So the fact that code runs the world means that everybody will need to understand code in the future. You'll be affected by it in all sorts of simple ways. As an end user, you might have to program your fridge like you used to program your VCR. It also means that the majority of the jobs going forward are coding jobs. So it's an exciting time to be in the industry that's going to be growing as fast as what it is.
And it's exciting because it's bringing a brand new innovation to a whole bunch of industries, but it also brings a whole bunch of new challenges that our clients have to think about. Not only finding and nurturing that kind of skill that's required, but also the risk that comes with it in terms of cybersecurity, technical debt. Is the code that we're writing today still going to be relevant in 5 years or 10 years? And if it is, who's going to maintain it? And what's the cost of maintaining that code down in the future? So I think these are things that we help our customers think about.
The conversation was all about software development. Obviously, this is one of the first roundtable type of discussions we've done. Challenges are basically the foundations of all the new developers. Institutions are spitting out developers at a massive rate because there's a big demand, but they are lacking the foundation that we got many years ago.
Your code needs to deliver on what it says it has to do, and it has to be quality. It has to speak to a knowledge base or something that is easily transferable to other developers or a community of people that will maybe leverage off of that code.
I actually found the roundtable extremely interesting. I think the people that participated in it were pretty candid in their sharing. I found the collective imparting of experiences amongst them very, very insightful. The complexity around the front end and the back end conversations in the businesses and the code required and the different types of people to help build the code inside the businesses around the roundtable conversation today. It's complex. It's a very complex thing for businesses to get their heads around.
Well, I think without code, nothing really works. I think if you're not up to speed and you're not developing at the pace that technology is, number one, as an industry or a business, you're going to be left behind. And number two, the reliance on code has been more and more and more. So everything could collapse if it's not done correctly. So although there were so many different industries within the room, the problems that they're experiencing around resources and how fast technology is changing, everyone's having the same kind of issues, and the ability for so many knowledgeable people to share insights with each other was great.